Hello and thank you for watching today's unboxing video. Today, we'll be unboxing and assembling the Jazzy Passport by Pride Mobility. The Jazzy Passport is a folding power wheelchair. It works with a lithium battery. It can travel up to 3.6 miles per hour, goes up to 9.6 miles on a full charge, can hold up to 250 pounds, and weighs only 54 pounds. To get started, simply open the lids of the box. You'll see the user manual on top, and you'll find the wheelchair inside of a bag. It's standing upright inside of a bag in the box. It's very lightweight. Just underneath the footplate, you will find the joystick in a box. You will need to get this joystick out of the box, and we feel that it's easiest to take it out of the box right away and mount it right away, so that you don't have to worry about it dangling around when you try to get the wheelchair out of the box. We're going ahead and using a box cutter very, very carefully to not cut or scratch the joystick, but to open the box because there is some heavy-duty tape around the edges of the lid of the box. As you can see, the box has the joystick inside with some protective sheeting and a little cardboard roll to protect the actual joystick knob. This is an adjustable joystick. As you can see, you can swing it out to the right or left. It rotates, and there are little sleeves on the right and left armrest with a bicycle-style C-clamp, as you can see. All you need to do is slide it in that sleeve and tighten that bicycle-style clamp down. Now the joystick is fixed and secured to the wheelchair, and we're going to go ahead and grab the box that's underneath the chair in the very bottom of the box. It's a white box wrapped in bubble wrap. That's going to contain the battery. So we'll get back to that in a moment. At this point, we're going to go ahead and lift the wheelchair right out of the box. It's not heavy. It's pretty lightweight, but you may need an extra hand to get it out of the box depending on your physical abilities and hand strength. We went ahead and took the plastic sheeting right off of the bottom of the wheelchair, and we're now laying the wheelchair flat. We're going to pull out the foot plate and then go back to the box to get the actual seat cushion, which comes in the bottom of the box. You will need to attach that seat cushion. When you remove the seat cushion, you'll find at the bottom of the box there's a smaller box which is velcroed to some styrofoam blocks. In that box, you'll find the battery charger. This is a lithium battery charger with an XLR connection port. In the rear of the wheelchair, you'll find two yellow tabs. When you first get the chair, those yellow tabs might be a little sticky, so go ahead and play with them a little bit until they're completely loose and able to slide inwards. You will need to pinch those two yellow tabs close together to fold and unfold the chair, as shown here. Now the seat cushion has two little protective sheets over the Velcro on the bottom of the seat cushion. You will need to remove those, otherwise the chair will not stick to the respective other side of the Velcro of the chair. So as you can see, we removed the little black sheeting from the bottom of the chair, or the chair pad rather, and now when you place the cushion on the actual chair, the chair will stick because of the Velcro making contact. You'll see that this chair also comes with a seatbelt. You may need to shimmy it out between the chair backrest and the chair itself. Again, it does come with a foot plate that is adjustable. You can flip it up, rather. The armrests are flip up as well. There's one thing you'll want to do is get the cable for the joystick controller and wrap it through the little holder there. It's a plastic little kind of loose clip that you could just fold right over and unfold to get the cable in and out. The next thing we're going to do is get the white box that's in the bubble wrap, remove the bubble wrap, use a knife to carefully cut open the box, and inside of the box you'll find the battery. The battery has a red cover on the terminal, which you'll need to remove before connecting. And on the bottom you'll notice two rails. Those rails are basically going to be used to suspend the battery underneath the chair. You will need to make sure that those rails are lined up with the corresponding slots so that you can slide the battery straight in. You'll want to give the box a little wiggle to make sure you hear a click. There is a little tension release button that holds the battery in place. Now we're going to get the charging cable and connect the wall plug to the charging adapter. The charging cable comes separate, but in the same box. Once it's connected, you can plug one end to the wall outlet And then the other end, which uses a barrel connector, it's an XLR connector, will go into the underside of the joystick. It's a 3-prong connector. Just line it up with the receiver and plug it in overnight when you first get the unit. We recommend finding the perfect adjustment or set point for the joystick. You can rotate it and extend it. On the bottom of the battery, you can see that there is a battery switch. You'll want to make sure that that's in the on mode, otherwise you won't get power. If you turn the unit on and you hear a constant beep, don't be alarmed. That's because the unit ships with the automatic brakes disengaged. You will need to engage them to use the battery on the unit. Simply rotate the yellow knobs into the drive position. They both need to be in the drive position. This system has 2 motors, and the unit will not operate unless both motors are engaged in the drive position. If you need to push the unit manually, you can use those yellow tabs to put the unit into freewheel mode, but you will need to have it in drive mode to operate the unit. This unit is available tax-free, and shipping is free at mobilityscootersdirect.com. Please feel free to give this video a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this video and want to be notified when new ones come out just like it. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Sergio. Have a great day.